Hello friends, welcome back to Techie Pinto channel. Today we are going to see how to install DeepSeek R1 LLM model locally using Ollama. So before we move forward, first let me tell you what Ollama is. Ollama is a free open source tool using which we can download LLM model locally. So today we are going to use Ollama to download the DeepSeek R1. But before that we have to install Ollama itself. For that, as you can see, I am on ollama.com. So you come to the websites. I have given all the links into comments and description. So click on the download. On the next page you can download, you can select your system whether Mac, Linux or Windows. I have Linux. I am clicking on Linux and I got one command. So I copy this command and move to the terminal to install the Ollama. So here we are in the terminal. Now in the terminal I will paste the command which I copied and it will install the Ollama on our system. It is asking for the password. Now you see it started installing the Ollama on our system. It will take some time, so you have to be patient. Let's wait for it. So meanwhile, Ollama is being installed on our system. We can come to the Ollama website and check the DeepSeek model R1. So we are searching the model DeepSeek R1 and we got this model. Now this model has multiple versions. One is 1.5b, another one is 7b, 8b, 14b, and each model has its own command, Ollama R1 DeepSeek R1 basically. If we change it to 8b, it will be changed to DeepSeek R1 8b. If we change it to 14b, it will be changed to 14b. But if you go to 7b, either you can directly write R1 or R1 colon 70b. Using this, we can install the DeepSeek R1 7 billion parameter model into our local system. So once our Ollama is installed, we can use this command Ollama run DeepSeek R1. It is 81% done. So let's wait for a while. Once it is installed, we can install DeepSeek R1 model. It is installed perfectly. So here we have copied that command Ollama run DeepSeek R1 7b. So we are going to just paste it here. So now what it will do, it will use the Ollama and install this model. It is pulling the DeepSeek R1 model from Ollama libraries. The model size is 4.7 GB, so it will take some time, depends on your internet speed. So once it is done, you will be able to use it. So let's wait for it. It is 100% done, few more pullings left, and it says success. And after that, we got one blank space. It says send a message. That means using Ollama, we installed DeepSeek R1. Now all we have to do is just send a message. So if we send hi, it thinks and gives us reply, how can I assist you today? So what it does, whenever you ask something or whenever you give it anything, it first thinks and then replies us. So let's say, tell me a joke on a cycle. So first it will think and then will give us the joke. We asked, tell me the joke on cycle. So it thought something and then gave us the result. Got one for you. Why did the bike go to school? Because it had a flat tire. Okay, so you can press Ctrl D to exit out, or you can just type exit. Okay, but now what if you want to delete the model because it is 4.7 GB? What if you install 14 billion parameter with it might be 8 to 10 GB, but you are like, okay, I've tested it, I'm not satisfied, or I have experimented it, now I want to delete. So you can first check using Ollama list. Now you see I have DeepSeek R1. R1 stands for reasoning, then 7 billion parameter. So to delete it, I have to write Ollama remove RM and the model name. Here if you provide model ID, it will not work. You must provide model name. And if I click on it, it is deleted. To confirm it, you just type the same command and it will say model DeepSeek not found. This is how you can install Ollama. Using Ollama, you can install DeepSeek or any LLM which is available on Ollama, and you can run it on a terminal and you can delete it. I hope you liked this video and it will help you in your AI journey. If you want more of this kind of video, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you like it, then please share with your friends and have a great day. Thank you for watching.